Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off the earbuds and disconnecting them from any device. This prevents damage and accidental inputs. Once done, remove silicone tips gently and set them aside. Use a soft brush to sweep loose debris from grills and a dry toothpick at a shallow angle to lift stubborn lint. Be careful not to push material deeper. Make sure to lay components in order on a cloth so reassembly is straightforward and you can spot any damaged parts early. You now focus on the speaker meshes and contacts. Lightly dampen a lint-free cloth with 70% isopropyl. Never pour liquid into the earbud. Gently wipe the mesh in small circular motions to dissolve oils. Use short bursts of canned air at an angle to dislodge particles that resist brushing. For charging contacts, use a dry microfiber first, then a lightly moistened swab if corrosion or grime remains. Make sure each area dries completely before moving on to prevent moisture trapped inside. You finish by reattaching silicone tips and snapping components back in their original positions. Test audio at low volume to confirm clarity. If you notice any muffling, leave the earbuds in a dry, ventilated spot for up to 24 hours to evaporate residual moisture. If one side is still quiet, make sure contacts are clean and perform a factory reset. This clears connectivity and balance issues. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, repeat contact cleaning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.